Hey guys, it's Elting here helping you with problems 6 through 8 on the homework. I do want to point out that problems 6 through 8 are quite a bit more challenging than the first 5 problems. Reason being, I now have multiple variables. To give you a quick example of this, let's take a look at the formula for the volume of a circle, or the area of the circle, excuse me. So if I have a circle, to find the space inside the area, I need to multiply pi by the radius squared times height. Oops, is not right. Should just be pi times the radius squared. Sorry about that. So you take pi, you multiply it by this distance squared, you got yourself the area. So oftentimes in algebra we're asked to solve for things that, well, won't give us an exact number. And in that case, that's okay. We're going to use our inverses just like we would always do. So in this case, if I want to solve for r, for example, I'll know that because the problem will state it. I'm going to go about that by using inverses. Understand that pi is being multiplied, this 2 is an exponent, so I need to do the inverses of those. You know the inverse of squaring something is to square root. You know the opposite of multiplication is divide. The only question is, what do you do first? Well, remember sad meeping. I think division comes before exponent. The d is well before the e, so there's no question there. We're going to divide by pi on both sides. Now, do I know what a divided by pi is? Of course not, but that's okay. That's not the point. The goal is just to get r by itself. Just because we have a bunch of letters and variables unsimplified on the other side, not a big deal. Not going to hurt us at all. Now that I have this, I want to get rid of the r squared, specifically the 2. The way you, again, undo an exponent, or at least the exponent of 2, is to square root. And by the way, that's your answer. You don't have to simplify it any more than that. The square root of a over pi is the radius. And that's it. That's your answer. Hopefully that helps. There shouldn't be any problems that actually ask you to square root, which is a little nicer than this problem. And the rest of these problems, really, you're just going to be subtracting, multiplying, dividing, adding. I think you guys can manage, but if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. Thank you. See you tomorrow.